welcome back to another Memo here. So in today's video, I'm just gonna be showing you my RSX that recently got swapped with my old K20Z1 from the car that I crashed. If you don't know the story, I had a RSX Type S, 2006. Some car came flying over the median from oncoming traffic and smashed my car right here. And it was total, like it was not fixable. This was bent in and it was already bent before from a previous crash. So I was like, man, I'm not fixing that. So we got this base. Actually, I got this base from some guy just randomly asked. Like, I just always saw it sitting outside his garage, and one day I called him, asked if he wanted to sell it. He's like, you want it? I was like, yeah. And just gave me a price. Got this thing for $3,000, which is all right. Like, the car's complete, like clean interior too. So yeah, K20Z1. Now I have a RBC and a Skunk 2 alpha header and no exhaust, so it's pretty loud. I would have done this video sooner, but I was just having like troubles with the idle. If you're doing this, you're doing an RBC on a RSX, you're gonna need this thermal gasket right here, and then the regular paper gasket behind that. And what I did, friend recommended me to just make a slit for the map sensor instead of relocating it right here. Yeah, that got fixed, but I was picking up some of the guys' slack. They did my swap. Bolts were loose. This hole was stripped, so I had to like fix that. Luckily, got it first try with the new bolt. Still picking up some slack. Like the throttle cable, I don't know what it is. Like, I guess when I close the hood, it gets it like stuck when I'm driving, so I have like a bunch of rev hang. And I drove it the other day. I was racing this TC. He took off before me, and I'm just like hitting. I'm just first gear, second gear, all the way to fourth. And I tried to brake, and I couldn't. Like, the car just kept accelerating by itself. And there was a truck in front of me. I'm trying to brake, and the car said, no, we're going for it. And I panicked, so I put it in neutral, and then that's when it stopped. The throttle was getting stuck. And I think it's because when I close the hood, somehow like it pinches or it binds. But yeah, guys, enough talk. Let's get the GoPro on and go for a test drive. Yeah, she's loud, but we have a check engine light. So the check engine light, I'm hoping it's just the vacuum leak that I had and the problem with the idle air control valve, which I fixed already, and hopefully that's just it. Awesome, cleared. Forgot my glasses. So you guys might hear some rattling going on, and it's because I don't have an exhaust, and the alpha header has a flange like just hanging unless you bolt on it and exhaust. That's what that rattling is. Sick. There's too much traffic out here. There's no traffic this way. The sun is all in my eyes. Oh, there goes our friend. Those guys give me free tickets to the courthouse just about every time they see me. Hope they didn't just hear me. Another check engine light. I wonder what that could be. Maybe I'm getting another vacuum leak. That's why it's still rev hanging. But then why would it like completely still accelerate when I'm racing? It almost killed me. That must be a big vacuum leak, right? Right, guys, as I was doing those pulls, the radiator hose popped off, and that's because the clamp wasn't on all the way. And to get the clamp on, you really got to get in there. I'm telling you guys, I'm picking up a lot of slack here. It's kind of like bothering me. One thing I do need on this car is definitely a sway bar up front, because yeah, when you get a race header in an RSX, it's kind of hard to make the race header fit with your stock sway bar. It's like a hit and miss. Some people get it, some people don't. Unfortunately, mine did not fit with the sway bar, so I'm gonna have to go with the EM2 sway bar. But I've also seen people use the CRV sway bar. It just sits under the race header, but I'm trying to go really low on this build, so I think the EM2 is the way to go on that. It's a G35, bro. Looks nice. Oh, this guy's trying to get in. You got it. See, I'm not an asshole. Do I need an LSD on this thing? You guys see how much it yanks to the right, and I'm just like over here trying to hold it. It feels so much worse on stock suspension and no sway bar. No way, is that a Cybertruck? Bro, that's my first time seeing one. What the hell? Guys, that's my dream truck right there. A lot of people think this thing is ugly, man. That thing looks sick. Bro, what the fuck? Look at that thing. Crazy. It's so loud, man. I like it, but I don't, because it's like, it's too loud. Tell me what you guys think. Should I just run a straight pipe all the way to the back? Or I was thinking just like maybe a vibrant muffler at least. It'll still be loud, but it won't be obnoxious like the way it is now. But yeah, I think that's all the runs that we're gonna do today. There's a lot of traffic, there's a lot of cops out. I'm running out of gas. I'm on E right now with the light on. I hope I can make it home. Yeah guys, stay tuned for more. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one.